Now, another thing though is as a sports drink and a recovery drink, people are using kombucha. But tell us about that.
Kombucha, like pickle juice, right? So again, what we have is these are beverages that have electrolytes because they already have minerals naturally present in them. And part of recovery isn't just hydrating. We also need to have nutrients put back in. And so kombucha is really excellent as a recovery drink. It also helps to reduce the pain experienced by lactic acid buildup in the muscles. And so you're able to recover more quickly. And in fact, a lot of sports teams, so most kombucha brands don't have the kind of money that Pepsi or Coke have, so they're not putting those massive sponsorships out there. But in the locker rooms, they're providing kombucha to the athletes because they really appreciate the benefit, but the public doesn't know about it because they don't have the money to advertise for it that way.